Hey guys, it's Angeline here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming this way so you can see like all this stuff. So right now it's Tuesday, the day before my flight, and it's tomorrow at my flight leaves at 7:40 a.m. So yeah, oops, sorry. But as you can tell, I'm gonna do a load of clothes. But here are some of the outfits that I'm like getting ready and stuff. Those over there are my pajamas. I have to fit everything in that suitcase. And then I have the sweaters over here, clothes I'm not gonna wear over there. And then if I go to the bathroom, I have like a lot of stuff all right here, but I organized them and put them into bags, like this stuff, and put some stuff in little bottles. So yeah, there's that stuff. I still have to put my toothbrush in here. I have to get some shoes, and yeah, I'm kind of done, honestly. Like, it's not a lot. I mean, it is kind of a lot that I have to do still, but yeah, so I'm gonna finish this and I will get back to you guys in the morning around when I wake up. I think I'm gonna wake up at like 3 or 4 in the morning. I don't know, but you guys will see. Good morning, y'all. I have to be a little bit quiet because my sister is sleeping over there, and I forgot to film me like wake up like right when I wake up. But I just finished brushing my teeth, and I'm gonna brush my hair, and then let's put this retainer in. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get dressed. I cannot talk, I'm sorry. I'm tired. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna show you the outfit, and yeah. Alright, so I am changed and I brushed my hair. It doesn't look like it, but I did. But do you guys ever like get this bump on your head? Like, watch. Like, you probably don't see it a lot, but like there's just like one section right here that's just so like it's higher than the other side. Do you see that? Ugh, I hate when that happens. But anyways, this is the fit. Let me put you down like this. Turn it up. I just got a shirt that has a sun on it, and then in the back it says like stuff. I forgot what it says. But then I got these sweatpants from a trip that I went on with my grandma that I'm about to visit. And then don't have shoes on right now, but I'm gonna put some white Air Forces on and a black hoodie. So that's what I'm gonna wear. And I have my carry-on like backpack little bag already done, so I'll show you guys what I have in there too. Okay, so this is the backpack I'm gonna bring. It's Coach, but I forgot to tell you guys, like it's like 4:30 in the morning, and I woke up at 4:15, kind of like around there, but it's 4:30 right now, so I forgot to tell you. But yeah, let me show you what I have in here. Okay, so the first thing, you don't need to see my hand, right? Yeah, whatever. So the first thing, I have my charger. I have masks. And then I also have this like thing to play with on the plane. It's Model Magic, it's called. It's modeling clay. And this is actually from Crayola. There's white or black or whatever that color is, red and yellow. Love it. It's really fun. We got scrunchies. I have my watch, just in case. I keep it with me because like if something happens with my suitcase, you never know. But I'm gonna go right here. I got the hand sanitizer. I have headphones, one for me and one for my cousin that she wanted. So I got these. You can see that. I got my wallet. What else do I have in here? I forgot. Oh yeah. I have some sunglasses. I have my regular glasses that I need. I have gum. You always have to carry like gum with you. And I have some lotion. This one smells super good. It's from Victoria's Secret. I don't remember which one it is. Oh, I have it. Hold on. This is the one I have in it. It's the Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals La Creme. I don't know how to say it, so don't come for me for that. And then in the little pocket, this pocket, I have another scrunchie. I have breath savers. I have an essential oil. This one is from Bath and Body Works. It's the Inspire. It smells amazing. I have the candle and it smells so good. I have some ligas, rubber bands, whatever you want to call them, and a variety of chapsticks. So that's what I have in there. That's all the stuff. And I don't know what time we're leaving. I think we're... Did you guys hear that? My sister was sleep talking. She does that. It's so weird. It scares me sometimes. Oh my god, my face looks so shiny. But that's because I just put some facial serum oil. But yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys when we leave. So we're leaving now. I have to be kind of quiet again. But me and my dad are leaving now. And I just said bye to my brother and sister, my dogs. Like, I love them. But besides the point, yeah, I have my bag right here and I'm kind of just waiting for my dad. But I'll show you some clips of the road. Okay, so we're here. I'm here with Anna and Emily's up there. And we are going, oh, this way. Yeah. I thought we were going up. Here's Emily.
It gets confusing. You have to really
but we're going through this other line. I don't know what it is, but I'll get back to you later. Just past the security, and now we're going down this aisle. I don't know. We're going.
Can I trust you?
Yeah, we're going to our like waiting area for our flight. So yeah. So we're sitting here at Angeline. I'm eating a yogurt parfait. I got a blueberry muffin. I got some fruit snacks. And I think we're gonna, you can't see it. That's who's there. And we're just waiting. Because I forgot. Okay, so we're on the plane. We're going to our seats. So pretty.
What was your first name to get over there?
I don't even know which one's yours.
We're walking out, and then I don't know. We're gonna go look for grandma. We gotta get her bag first. And then... Okay, so we are off of the plane. I'm going down steps. Hold on. Okay, this is it.
Why are we going this way?
This is my grandma.
I don't think that's. Oh, Vegas.
And we need to go get our bags.
What we're doing?
So, yeah, we're gonna go down more stairs. And then I'll meet you guys in the car. We are walking to the car, and she had to park her car 3 miles away.
Over there.
But she's over there, somewhere over there, paying for the ticket thingy, whatever it's called.
Because she parked here.
Oh, a G-Wagon. That's nice. I just saw a Porsche too. But yeah, we're walking to the car. We got this big old suitcase. My arm is tired. So we're at Applebee's now. We're eating. Here's my grandma.
Here's me.
And here's Emily. And Anna's over here. So we're gonna eat and then go home? Or
Yeah,
no?
we'll go home for a little while.
Okay. Okay, so we just got to my grandma's house. Now we'll give you a little tour because this place is beautiful. Okay, so if you walk over here, this is the kitchen. Oh no, that's the kitchen. And then if you walk out here, this is the backyard. Oh my god, it's so nice. We have a little pond, a little sitting area.
It's usually a waterfall, but the pump broke, so we're waiting for the new pump to come.
Oh, and this is all hers. Yeah, it sounds so nice. Oh my god, I thought that was a real cat over there.
No. Oh, look at the cardinal down there.
That's a cardinal?
Yeah.
Really?
I found Bailey.
Oh. But this is her house. This is her backyard. It's really nice.
Not a little bit. Oh.
Okay, so we're over here at this like Goodwill kind of, and we just found an iPod, and it literally works. Like it came with the bag with the charger and everything, and we just see it right here, like laying around. That's crazy.
How long is his body?
Wait
How
till we
deep
get.
is his
Look at the little one. Oh my god.
So it is now day 4, I think. Was it day 4, 3 or 4 of being in Seattle, and I look terrible right now. I just got out of the shower. I'm just sitting outside. I'm laying down because I might fall asleep right now because I'm so tired. Like I can't even stay up to watch a show or anything. But yeah, I've just been like showing little clips of like the main things that we usually did today, like these days. But I think I'm gonna just do like a part 1 and a part 2 of this trip, because I have in the part 2 I'm gonna actually film, and we're not gonna be here in this house. We're actually going on another vacation, which is somewhere different. I'm not gonna say yet, but you guys will definitely see that in the next part 2 video. So I just want to let you guys know that. But I'm gonna just keep showing little clips of it, and yeah.
Okay. Now, do you want some fruit too?
We are at the park over there, and then I think we're gonna go for a walk. Alright, so we are at Red Robin's now. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna get a hamburger, but we just got our lemonades. They're so good. But yeah, I'll show you guys. It's broken. I'll show you guys what I get.
Okay, I got a duck and
So I got the cheeseburger. I already took a bite with zucchini fries. She got mac and cheese. She got what kind of salad?
grilled chicken salad.
Grilled chicken salad. And a gluten-free hamburger. I'm in the fitting room at H&M. This is the first shirt. I know it's see-through, but I'm gonna wear a different bra. So it's like this, and then in the back, I don't know if you can see it. In the back, can you guys see that? Let me turn this way. It's like that. I like it, but I'm gonna show you the next shirt. I don't know which one I'm gonna get. The next one, it is see through a little bit. It says Endless Paradise, I think. And then it's like this. And then in the back, I love the back. It says Endless Summer, Endless Paradise right there too. And then it has the flowers, as you can tell. And then the next one is gonna be this one. This is Eternal, and I love the back. So let me show you this one. I think I'm gonna get this one for sure. You guys saw the back already. It's like that. I am in love with the color of this. I think I'm gonna get this one. This is like $8. It's like, heck yeah. This one, I think this one is like 13 maybe, and the other one, the white one, is like 8 I think too. But I think I'm gonna get this one, and I think I might get the cream color. So we're at the mall. I got some Victoria's Secret, H&M, and Anna got an H&M, what was it? Pair of shorts. And I got a shirt and some jewelry. And when we get home, we'll show you what we got. I forgot to tell you guys, but I got some Crocs. Oh yeah. Yellow ones, and I got some white ones. We're at Big Lots.
Make your own mask.
And here's the result of the zucchini bread. It's so good. We got guacamole, enchiladas, and rice, and we're gonna watch a movie. Okay, so I'm in the garage right now. I was just putting my shoes on, but I have this new shirt. This is one of the shirts I bought. Actually, this is the shirt I bought, actually. Yeah. But let me go away from the washer. Today is Thursday. I forgot to tell you guys like what days are days, but it's Thursday, and we've been here 7 or 8 days. I don't really know. I don't remember. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know if you didn't know. But this is gonna be, I'm gonna film 2 videos. This is one of them. And then in the other one, we're taking a trip. I think I've said this already, but we're taking a trip. And I'm gonna film that video. That's one video. And we leave tomorrow. And then this rest of the video is just gonna be the rest of this trip. So it'll make sense. But I just wanna let you guys know. And right now we're going bowling. I think we're going right now. I don't know, but today we're gonna go bowling, eat lunch. We're gonna go see my aunt's like shop. She has this kind of like, she has a shop that's like really cute. I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna film that too. So you guys will see that.
It's candy, right?
So cute. They have like different stuff here. So some stuff that she has these little bubbly drinks. They're called Mingles. They're super cute. It's like cranberry Cosmo, the Moscow Mule, blood orange, other stuff like that. She has tea, different flavors and stuff. She has like donut bath bombs. This is a, what is this again? Marshmallows things? I don't know. I don't remember. But there's that. Party plates, party supplies. Over here, too. She has a couple candles that they smell amazing. A few games, mostly decoration and stuff. Okay, so we're eating Mexican food. I got this burrito with asada. She got
Reserve your name.
enchiladas. She got a chicken salad.
Yeah.
Yum. And she got a grilled cheese. Okay, so now it's dessert time. I got this brownie with some like whatever sauce on it. I forgot what she said. And then she got some churros over there.
I meant like one churro. Like
Literally,
one.
I thought it was just gonna be one.
I know.
I thought there's no way you're gonna eat all of that.
So we're at this bowling area. Well, let me play the camera.
It's called Ocean 5.
It's called Ocean 5.
And it is amazing.
These bathrooms are so nice.
Wait, what does it look like?
I just wanted to say. They have a changing area. It is?
It's so clean.
I'm not gonna show you that part, but yeah, we're bowling. I'm gonna show you the bowling alleys. They're super duper nice. The arcade's over there. And then if you go over here, they have these. It looks better in real life, but they're like neon. Fireplace. I'm gonna go this way. These are they're so cool.
Yeah. Oh, we have 2 minutes of practice.
Amazing. Get it. Come on.
Don't you dare.
Yes. Wow. Never mind.
It's going.
Come on, Grandma. Oh. Yeah. Okay, come on, Emily. With your side bumps. Too bad. Oh! She's the first one to do that. Okay, we're home. We've been home. And we're packing. Like Anna just said, but you guys didn't hear. We're going there 4 days. And yeah, I'm just packing some pants.
We're going to Oregon.
Yeah, we're going to Oregon. I think I said that. I don't know. But yeah, I'll show you when I'm done packing. Okay, so we made a change of plans and we came over here to Great Wolf Lodge to go to the bathroom and find out that we're staying here for a night.
We literally went to go to the bathroom. And we stayed there.
So we're gonna be in the water park and we're gonna be here for a night at Great Wolf Lodge. Okay, so here's our room.
Oh, there's a safe.
There's the bathroom.
Where are the lights?
These are the 2 beds. A sink, very tall ceilings, a TV, a table, a couch, and a big window. So that's the room. Okay, so we're going to the water park now. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're fine. Yeah. So we're going to the water park. We're all dressed. And we're waiting on Anna.
Okay. She's not okay.
She's ready now.
I'm in my swimsuit. Barely.
But I won't be able to film any of it because I'm not gonna have my phone. So I'll probably just put pictures of what it looks like.
Okay,
so,
for record, I'm dressed.
Yeah.
She got dressed about 2
I
seconds
have
ago.
a shirt and some shorts on because I didn't bring my swimsuit. So yeah.
But it doesn't hurt to wear a t-shirt in the water.
Okay, so I didn't film anything of yesterday. Chick-fil-A.
Or drinks?
Oh, our drinks. So we are just leaving, but I didn't film anything yesterday because I basically kind of forgot. But it was already too late. But I'll just say the water park was fun. It was really big. The water slides were fun. If you ever come here to Great Wolf Lodge, I highly recommend going on the red and yellow water slide. It's the funnest. I love the rooms. They have different sizes of the rooms. They can't see you. They have different sizes of the rooms. We got the family suite. And yeah, now we're driving home back to Grandma Nina's house. Okay, so we are at Elmer's. It's a breakfast place. And we are still ordering.
And what are you doing?
But this looks so good.
Oh, you like that?
But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna get with. Okay, so we're at an animal shelter now, and we're gonna go see some animals.
Okay. You're not gonna fit. You're not gonna fit. We're your family. We love you.
You put her down. I want to record her.
Okay.
I want to record her.
Just put her in the naked.
Okay, so breakfast, I'm having waffles and some banana chocolate smoothie. Okay, so we are back here at Ocean 5, which is the bowling. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, here we go. Wow. So we just finished the arcade. Now we're selecting what we want, and we don't know. But they have all this cool stuff. It's really cool. So for dinner, I'm having leftover pizza, rice, and sour cream. And then I'm having a chobani, strawberry yogurt with some cranberries. And we're watching this new show.
And I had ice cream.
And she's having ice cream. Okay, so today is card night day. The whole family, all the girls are coming over. We're gonna be playing cards.
11 people.
11 people are coming. We're watching a series of unfortunate events on Netflix. It's really, 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 really good. I'm gonna cut up an apple. Emily's making toast.
Yep.
I have a little bit of allergies, but they're going away, literally. So, yeah. That's it, mostly.
Which pile? I don't know what that is. What?
Yeah. So we're at Dana's house.
You're on YouTube right now.
Hello. What's your name?
Matai?
This is Matai.
Banana ice cream.
Yes!
Banana.
I do.
Banana?
Is that for YouTube?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
So you're posting this for YouTube?
Uh-huh.
What's
Don't cross.
What's your channel called?
Frozen banana.
My name?
Yeah. What's
We
your
have
channel called?
Jason over
Ah! What's your channel.
Oh, really? Okay, so now we're gonna go, what? Eat ice cream?
She's gonna make banana ice cream.
Yeah, banana ice cream.
It's like dairy-free ice cream.
Yeah. Okay, so now we are downtown, right?
Downtown Gig Harbor.
Downtown Gig Harbor, and we are going for a walk. And I just wanted to say this, but if you ever need, like, you want to go to a fun store, or you need like decoration for a birthday party or anything, or you want desserts or something, I'm going to shout out to this store called Frills by TLB, I think, events. And they have the best, most nicest, coolest stuff ever.
Most nicest.
Yeah, and it is in Washington, downtown Gig Harbor. Highly recommend it. I will show some pictures of it, well, a clip of it to show you guys. Like, every time I come, they have different stuff, and it's so cool. So yeah, so we stopped here. They have these sitting areas, and they have a little part of the water. It's really pretty. Whoa, that was scary.
We're literally on a solid foundation. It's not like it's moving. Should have been more scared on the bridge going down. Hello.
No? We're by the water now. Found some jellyfish.
Welcome back to the channel. Okay, I did not.
Okay, so this is her shop. I've shown it before, but there is always different stuff. Like she has these birthday cards where you can actually bake a cake. So here's like the ingredients, the recipe. If you open this up, it gives you the ingredients and everything too. That's pretty cool. She has these marshmallows, popcorn, Rice Krispie treats. Then she just did this for summer. It's really cool. She just got some new jewelry, some cheer drops, a candle, well, candles. She has tea, different kinds of tea, vanilla chai, this one, wild berry, gingerbread, iced tea, cotton candy, just a whole random thing. It has non-alcoholic sparklings. They're called Mingle, and she has these new ones. She just put these ones out too. Pretty nice. Okay, so now we just ate, and now we're at Tammy's house, and here chilling. Yeah. We're not really gonna do anything. I just know we're just gonna play basketball, volleyball, the tennis racket thing. Yeah, that's mostly it. We are just about to finish this we just did for the church for graduation. And it took us, if we look back here at the time, we started at exactly 7:55. It is now 9:44. It's dark outside. This is the church. Yeah, that looks weird. It looks so good. It looks really good. The view from the stage is like this. I'll show you. What you can see is this. Ooh. we're literally in a church. That's kind of scary. This is the baby room. Super creepy, actually. I'm in the dark. Hold on. Let's get over here.
We gotta go right now.
Okay, ready?
1,
Okay,
2.
I'm gonna hit away. Go, go, okay, go.
Go, 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 go. Who's what? What are these?
Yeah, it's raining.
Is somebody right there?
Those are houses.
Okay.
They're houses? No, those are hotels.
Those are hotels.
Oh. Oh no, it's raining. Oh my god. It is literally so humid, like foggy. Because it's raining outside.
See, I'm drawing on the window.
Yeah.
See, that's like Joe. Joe is a morning person. So
Okay, so this is the cooler. And I just finished making this bouquet. It's really pretty for her frills shop. And we just made this one too. These are all separate bouquets too. So I'm just gonna set mine right. Hold on. Just like that. Now I gotta get out because it's gonna get warm. Okay, now we are leaving. It's what time?
It is 12:19.
It's 12:19 in the morning. And we have to wake up around 7 tomorrow. And it's pouring rain outside, like Emily just said.
The umbrellas.
I don't know. And we're looking for umbrellas.
Because it's pouring.
It's literally pouring rain outside.
Is it in that one? That would be in a ball. I told him that. He goes, bro, what?
He doesn't want ice cream.
You want ice cream? He's still filming.
Okay, so we're in Safeway. It took us a while to find one that was open since it's 1 in the morning, but they're about to close. There's people. Literally 10 minutes till they close. And we just got here and we're looking for a toothbrush and ice cream mostly.
You're gonna have to send those to me.
Okay, so it is now. What time is it?
It's 11 o'clock.
It's 11. 10:57.
Oh my god.
What was that? Mi maleta. I heard mi maleta.
That was Duolingo.
So
know that.
it is the day before we leave. We leave tomorrow.
It smells like gum in here.
It says gum.
Oh, there's gum right next to you.
That's why.
Yeah.
It smells really strongly.
I just opened it. It's brand new.
Yeah, that would be it.
So we're leaving tomorrow. Our flight is at 10:35 in the morning, and we're all packed. We're gonna wake up at what time? We're gonna wake up at 5:36.
Like right now?
I'm about to take a shower. Get out
Sorry.
right now. Ew. Why do I look like that? Okay, so we're at the airport now, and we are gonna go check our bags, and then go wait, and then do all this stuff. Okay, so we just said goodbye to our grandma, and I'm kind of sad. I'm really sad, but we are about to board the plane. Ooh. But yeah. They're taking forever.
Don't stop now. Stop. You can shave some of it off if you don't like it, but oh gosh, it's gonna be the shaky part.
Back home. It's so hot, literally burning. It's 118 degrees, and I just came back from like 50, 60 degrees, and it does not feel good. But yeah, this is the end of this Seattle, Washington vlog, and I'm gonna end it here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did, and make sure to comment down below whether you like hot weather or cold weather. My answer to that question is cold weather for sure, because hot is just, it's not me. I don't like it. Even though my birthday's in the summer, I still don't like it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.